Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Florida in Orlando at the Magic Kingdom, Disney's Magic Kingdom. We're in Frontierland and we're going to check out the Big Thunder Mountain Railway today. It's very early in the park today. It's about, 9 o'clock, and there was very little wait, about 30 minutes, which is unheard of for this ride. So I had my caffeine already, but I think my body's in for another jolt. I couldn't pass up that 30-minute wait time, so here we are online. Now, if you've been watching, many of you know that this is my first time here at the Magic Kingdom. I texted my niece, Ashley, who has been here one or two times before, and told her that I was going on this ride while I was online. Obviously, she's much younger than me, and she told me that it was a little bit rough, which got me thinking, should I be on this line at all? But I'm pretty much committed to this line at this point, so let's check out Big Thunder Mountain Railroad here at the Magic Kingdom. So the Disney World website says that this is the wildest ride in the wilderness. Legend has it that soon after gold was first discovered here in the 1850s, eerie things began to happen. Trains would take off and race through tunnels by themselves. After you arrive at the legendary Big Thunder Mining Company, descend into an abandoned mine shaft and board your train. I think that's what we're about to do right now. As you enter the cursed cavern, the engine speeds up along the rickety track. Dodge exploding dynamite and falling boulders as you swoop around turns, drop into canyons, and dart through the mysterious ghost town of Tumbleweed. Your rip-roaring adventure proves that some legends are true. You're sure to have a real blast. Ashley might have been right about this one. Disney rates most of their rides on how scary is it, and for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, they say that it's a fast roller coaster type attraction designed for kids and adults. However, some parts of this attraction are bumpy and in some instances takes place in the dark. They would be correct. Alrighty guys, I pretty much have everything I've got on me tied down except the contents of my stomach. Here we go!
The geyser, yeah. Well, you may have time. That was the geyser.
Well, if you ask me, that wasn't too bad. Coming up shortly on the New York channel, we are going to head over to Epcot and check out the Soarin' ride. Soarin' at Epcot is an exhilarating aerial expedition. Feel the thrill as you're raised high in the air and swept from one scenic locale to the next. See the world's wonders, natural and man-made, like you've never have before. No mountain is too high, no landscape is too far. That's coming up shortly on the New York channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.